Hi, hello guys. Hello, it's me again. Now this is going to be small. Let me just move you a little bit over here. All right, a small craft haul from TEMU. It did arrive with us. Now I did pre-open the bag. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. My name is Sandy. Welcome to Dazzling Crochet Trinkets. That's the channel name. So, hi, hello. Okay, let's see what I got. I know what I got, but I want to check. Let me just take it out of the bag. Now it's only a craft haul. I didn't get any yarns this time. Let me just throw this away. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first one. Am I in the frame? I think I am. Let me move it a little bit. Let me just put it here. Okay, there am I. The first item is the diamond painting wax that you use. So, this was produced in Madrid, in Spain. Cute, interesting. Okay, but it's made in China. Okay, never mind. So I took these because you go through them pretty quickly, you know, and this is quite nice. Yeah, several colors of them. So you have 80 pieces of them here. So quite a lot. Yeah, it doesn't matter that there's different, you know, color. All it matters that I have enough now for the diamond paintings that I do. So, and the packaging is cute. So yeah, that's going to last for quite some time. This was pretty cheap. I paid, let me see. This was, well, just under €5 or almost $5 if you like, all of this. So to me that sounds pretty good because it's going to last quite a long time. So yeah, that's what I got. Next, okay, now this is the storage for the diamond paintings. It has 38 grids, 38 of these little, let me show you, sorry, crinkle alert. Okay, this, let's open it up. Okay, you have the stickers for it that you can write the number of the paint or the color. I prefer to put the number of the color because they're all the same, you know. They go by the DMC color charts, the DMC, the yarn company, you know, and they do the colors by that chart. So it's easy. Yeah, how much do I have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6. So there's 66 of them, so more than enough than here. Okay, let's see how they look. Nice size. Yeah. Interesting. And the package is pretty cute because you can, you know, close it up and carry it around, not worrying about them spilling out. So the drills are going to fit quite nicely in here. I do have some storages that I have, but I'm pretty confident because they're not separated like this, but they're in those how do you call that? It's just like this one where I have my stitch markers, you know. You have these grids that you can pick up, and you know, no lid on the separate storage unit or whatever you call it. So I don't like this one for the drills. They're not pretty safe or you know, I don't feel safe when I have there, but I have to transfer them, those that I have in such storages, into these. And this was all of this was almost 8 euros. So all of this is almost 8 euros. I mean, you have quite a lot of them. How much did they say? 38, right? So yeah, quite a good size. I'm pleased. So what I say, almost 8 euros, 7 euros and 91 cents. So yeah, that's what I got. Next, I got two size cellophane bags. They're self-adhesive. There's adhesive here, so I use these when I pack the cards that I make, and also the little greeting cards that you make, you know, for the gifts. Also, I can place them in there, and then they can take them out and use them just to protect the little cards. All right. So yeah, since they're 3D sometimes, and to protect that 3D motif, I pack them up in this. So yeah, this was pretty cheap, I must say. So 100 pieces in each of these packages. So the bigger one was €2.80, hundreds of them, 100 in a package. So that's great. And the dimensions are 12 by 18 centimeters. I'm not sure what is in inches. I don't know if it says here. Let me see. Well, no. Okay, 12 by 18 centimeters. Well, we can measure. Where's my little measuring thingy? There it is. So the outside measurements are 7, almost 8 inches high and 5 inches wide. So yeah. And the little one costed, oh, this was really cheap. This was €1.11. So yeah, and this is the smallest of them. It's 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So yeah, it's 2.5 by 2.5, but it has that flap that goes over, and that gives it 3.5 inches. So this is cheap. I got those. Also 100 in a pack. Then I got the 2 plates for my Sizzix. And yeah, these are smaller than my original Sizzix. They are not as big as the plates over here, but they're going to be pretty useful because, I'm sorry, crinkles. It is going to be pretty useful, you know. These plates are going to be great because the projects that I have are not that big, and I can use the smaller plates to cut the cardboard or the EVA foam or whatever it is that I'm cutting. And yes, I can still use the bigger one for the bigger project, but for now I'm going to use this one for the little one, for the little projects. So yeah, this is good. This is acrylic. It's okay. It's fine. I mean, it's going to serve its purpose quite well. Anyway, these two were a little bit more. These two were 10 euros. 2 plates for 10 euros. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I would prefer if, well, I need to find the bigger ones, right? I need to replace these. One of those. So yeah. But anyways, I will be using this so that I use the bigger one. And this is it. So what is it? 10 euros for these 2 plates. And they are 15.49 centimeters by 22.61 centimeters. So it's much smaller than the A4 size of paper. So yeah, I got that. And the last one is additional diamond painting kit. This kit was everything that's inside was 9 euros. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see. Okay, Great. I'm sorry if I'm too messy, but that's what I do. Okay, let's dump them all out. Nice little baggie. Yeah, very cute. Everything can be stored inside. Let's see. Oh, the glue is a little bit glued, but it's okay. That's fine. That's just fine. Okay. How do I open this? Oh. Oh, this is cute. Is this also the glue? I think it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, you put the glues inside and you can... Wow. I like that. It's the same here. Is it? Oh, yes. Oh, wrong side. So the round ones go here. Very cute. And these squished ones. Okay, let me do this. It's easy usable glue for the diamond painting. It's no problem. You just squish them back. Yeah. Okay. Let's put them there. Oh, that's great. Okay. And also we have the storage. Yeah, I have these. These are good. These are great. I have a lot of these, but I couldn't find any of these here in our local Chinese stores or any store, and I had to order them. I used to order them from AliExpress, but now I see them here, but only as a kit. I have seen some of these with much more. These are only 28, 7x4, but I've seen the 56 or even more, but the prices are a little bit, you know, not satisfactory. Okay, next we have trays, which are quite good. I like them. Okay, now there it is. We have the trays. We have different diamond multi-placers. 9 drills, 6 drills, 3 drills. The straightener is there too. The single one on an angle, and the single one, the straight one, you know. So these are the trays. We have 2 small trays. Yeah. This is that rotational placer, which I am not quite happy with it, but okay. I don't use it that much, you know. I don't have that long or straight placement. And these are the different drills. These are the few that don't have it, so you can put these. You can put these inside those. So this is also, I think, 9 placer. There is no number. These two have to be the 6 and 5 placer. So yeah, this is 3 placements. So yeah, this is a very nice brush to use for brushing on the glue or sealant. For brushing glue, very soft, very nice. That's good. This is to keep your project pinched while you work on the cover of the diamond painting. You know, that plastic cover that you have, so that the sticky thing doesn't pick up anything. This is okay. And these are the protectors for your fingers, so that you don't get any blisters while working, you know, making it comfortable to work with. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't, but in order not to have them running around the drawers or the room, I like to put them on. So if we need them, you can move them anywhere you need them. So yeah, let me just put all of them there. So even here where there's nothing, and here. Okay, no, yeah, that's done. Now we have a nice tweezer. I don't place them with tweezers. To me, that's, I don't know, complicated. I'm lazy. Also, we have a cute Ziploc bags, I also don't like to put the drills in the Ziploc bags, and that doesn't seem too practical to me. So yeah, but they're useful for some other things. So yeah, we have the straightener. You have to straighten up the drills when you put them on, so everything is in order. Nice, decent size. Okay, we have the stickers here, blank ones. You can write down the number of the paint, of the drill color. So 40-80 of them, and this is a double-sided sticky tape. So yeah. Anyways, I'm ready to move these drills into this one because I don't like this. You see, they are not individually covered, so I need to move them there. Not safe, they can be mixed. And also, yes, they are individual like this, but I want to move them. And also this one has sides, these sides that you can take them out. You see, you can move them. So I'm not happy for that. I need to move them away from here so that they don't get mixed pretty much. So yeah, that's it for me for now. I'll see you out there. I do have a couple of packages that are coming with yarn, so I will be updating you about that and even reviewing the yarn. They were pretty interesting prices, so yeah. Okay, like, subscribe, ask me questions. I'm here, and I'll see you out there. Bye bye.